How to use Hyper-V on Windows. Hey everyone, today we're diving into Hyper-V, a built-in Windows tool that lets you create and manage virtual machines. Let's unlock its potential in under 2 minutes. Imagine running multiple operating systems on your PC simultaneously. That's the magic of Hyper-V. It allows you to create virtual machines, essentially virtual computers, within your existing Windows system. Before we get started, ensure Hyper-V is enabled and search for Turn Windows Features On and Off and scroll down to find Hyper-V. Check the box and click OK to install. Your PC might need to restart. Once rebooted, type Hyper-V Manager in the search bar and launch the app. This is your central hub for managing virtual machines. Click New and Virtual Machine to start the creation wizard. Give your virtual machine a name, allocate memory and storage, and choose an operating system you want to install. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the setup. Once created, right-click your virtual machine and select Start. This boots up the virtual machines just like a regular computer, with its own operating system running within a Windows on your screen. Hyper-V offers a vast range of features for managing virtual machines, from configuring network settings to taking snapshots. Explore online resources to delve deeper. And there you have it. With Hyper-V, you can experiment with different operating systems, test software, or even create isolated development environments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.